Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Blue Diamond. I am Purushottam, and in this series we are learning Java from absolute zero to advanced level. In our last video we learned what is Java. Its is in the description. Today we will understand one of the most and asked Java interview question, that what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. So let's get started. Before we start today's topic, let us quickly recap what we learned last time. Java is high-level language, object-oriented programming language. Its most powerful feature is write once, run anywhere. It was created by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem in 1995, and Java code compiled to bytecode, which is the executed by JVM. Now, this brings up the question: how does Java actually compile and run? That is actually where JDK, JRE, and JVM comes in picture. Before understanding each one separately, let us first understand what are the relationship between them, means the hierarchy of them. So we can say that the JDK is the biggest and it contains everything. Inside JDK there is JRE, and inside JRE there is JVM. Think of this like three boxes: a big box, a medium box, and a small box, all fitting inside each other. JDK contains JRE plus development tools. JRE contains JVM plus Java class libraries, and JVM is the core engine that run everything. Now let us understand each one of in the detail. First, let us talk about JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK is the complete software development kit for Java. It contains everything you need to write, compile, and debug Java program. Think of JDK like a complete toolbox for carpenter. It has all the tools like hammer, drill, saw, everything. What tool are inside JDK? As Java C, this is a Java compiler. It converts Java code into byte. JDB is the Java debugger. It helps you find and fix error in the code. JAR is the Java archive file, and Java DOS, which generate the document file of the. And JDK also include the complete JRE inside it. Now let us talk about JRE. JRE is the Java runtime environment. Means it provides the environment to run a complete Java program. It contains the JVM plus Java class library need to execute Java byte. Think of JRE like a game player. You can play the game, but you cannot create it. JRE can run Java program, but it cannot compile or develop them. Contain JVM, which is the Java virtual machine, and Java lang, core Java classes, and utility classes, and input output classes. Let me explain the JVM process step by step. Step 1, JVM loads the .class file using the class loader. Step 2, bytecode verify checks if the bytecode is safe and valid. Step 3, JIT, which stands for just-in-time compiler, convert bytecode to machine code and at runtime. What else does JVM do? Manage memory using heap stack. It perform garbage collection automatically, remove objects that are no longer needed. Suppose as there is a variable we declared but is no use, so garbage collector will automatically remove it. Now let us compare all three side by side so you never forget the difference. JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK is Java development kit which purpose is to write, compile and debug. It adds JRE and development tools. JRE is Java runtime environment which is purpose is to run Java program, and it includes JVM plus libraries. And JVM is the Java virtual machine which purpose is to execute bytecodes, and it run in any every system. It main contains the execution engine. This is very important from interview point of view. Now let me give you the best analogy to remember this forever. Think of Java like building a house. JDK is like a complete construction set. It has all the tools like hammer, drill, saw used by builder, which means developer with JDK. You can both build and use the house. JRE is like a furnished house. You can live it in and run your programs, but you cannot build your new room or make changes. Used by residents, which means end users. JVM is like the electricity of the house. It powers everything inside. Without it, nothing works. Let us summarize what we learned today. First, JDK is the complete development kit for writing and compiling Java code. Second, JRE provides the environment for running Java program. It contains JVM plus Java libraries. Third, we understood JVM, what is the heart of the Java. It converts bytecode to machine code, so it run on any system. Fourth, the hierarchy of the JDK, JRE, and JVM. And fifth, developer need JDK and user need JRE, and JVM need both. The point These points are very commonly asked in Java interview. Make sure you remember these, and just like different countries have different electricity standard, different operating system have different JVM, means Windows JVM is different, Linux is different, and Mac. This is the easiest way to remember the JDK, JRE, and JVM forever. This is all for today video. In our next video, we will write our very first Java program, Hello World, in Java using Eclipse.